Hello everyone. Today's topic is sex determination and sex differentiation and abnormalities of human sex development. Reproduction is a multidimensional subject with physiological, biochemical, genetic, psychological, emotional, social, economical, moral, and many other aspects. The physiology of reproduction system begins with sex determination, that is, genetic differentiation, which occur during fertilization. What is fertilization? Penetration of ovum by sperm. Ovum always contain 22 plus X chromosome, while a sperm may contain either 22 plus X or 22 plus Y chromosome. Therefore, after fertilization, the zygote chromosomal pattern can be either 44 XX female, that is female genotype, or 44XY, that is male genotype. Then the next step in reproductive physiology is sex differentiation, which begins at about 7 to 8 weeks of intrauterine life. The adult male reproductive physiology and female reproductive physiology involve gametogenic and endocrinal function of testes and ovary, respectively. The understanding of reproductive physiology is important not only for promotion of conception and normal fetal growth but also the prevention of conception, means physiology of contraception for population control, which is global concern. Sex determination and sex differentiation. In human embryo, sexual growth involves two processes: sex determination, sex differentiation. Now, sex determination characteristic features is sex determination, also known as genetic differentiation. The genotype of fetus, whether male or female. The genotype is determined by the presence of sex chromosome, hence also known as chromosomal sex differentiation. In normal somatic cell, 46 23 pairs human chromosome can be identified by their size and shape. An entire set of chromosomes arranged in the descending order of the size and according to the position of the centromere is called karyotype. In 22 of the pair, the homologous chromosomes look alike and they have same appearance in both male and female. These 22 pairs are called autosome. The two member of 23 pair is called sex chromosome. They are different in male and female. Begins two identical XX sex chromosome in females and XY in males. Y chromosome is smaller than X chromosome. Sex determination is genetic phenomena and depends on the constituents of sex chromosome. Human karyotype showing autosome and sex chromosome. White circles are the centromere and these are arranged in the this is arranged in the descending order of size. Therefore, what is the determined is sex genotype or genetic sex. The phenotype sex is defined by characteristics of the internal genital tract and external genitalia. The primitive female germ cell, that is oogonia, contains 46 chromosomes, 44 autosomes plus 2 identical sex chromosomes, that is XX, which carrying female determining gene that code for production of ovary. During gametogenesis, production of germ cell as a result of meiosis. Chromosomes become half in number, therefore each ovum finally contains 22 plus X chromosome. Female gametogenesis is called oogenesis and male gametogenesis is spermatogenesis. The primitive male germ cell, that is spermatogonia, also contains 46 chromosomes, 44 autosomes plus 2 sex chromosomes XY, where Y carrying male determining gene that code for production of testes. The testis determining gene product is a cell surface protein known as SRY, sex determining region for the Y chromosome. During gametogenesis, as a result of meiosis, chromosomes become half in number. Therefore, two kinds of spermatozoa are formed, and half the normal sperm contain 22 plus X chromosome and half contain 22 plus Y chromosome. The ovum may be fertilized by either kind of sperm with following sex genotype. Sperm X, ovum X and offspring is XX, means sex genotype is female, genetic female, and sperm is Y, ovum X, offspring is XY, is genetic male. The genetic sex is determined either by sperm, the sex determining gene on X and Y chromosome, acts on the primitive bipotential gonad to promote its development as testis or an ovary. Human chromosome. Fluorescent and other staining techniques make the possible to identify the individual chromosome and study them in detail. Human cells are grown in tissue culture and treated with the drug colchicine, which arrests the mitosis at the metaphase. Then these are exposed to hypotonic solution to make the chromosome swell and disperse. Because the human Y chromosome is smaller than X chromosome, probably sperm containing the Y chromosome is lighter and able to swing fast up the female genital tract, thus reaching the ovum more rapidly. This may be reason why the number of male born slightly greater than the number of female. मीन्स लड़का लोग ज़्यादा पैदा होता है फीमेल्स के, क्योंकि वाई क्रोमोसोम लाइटर होता है और स्विंग फास्ट करता है फीमेल जेनिटल ट्रैक्ट में. सेक्स chromatin soon after cell division has started during embryonic development. One or other two sex chromosomes of somatic cell in the normal females only become functionally inactive. The choice of X chromosome which become inactive in any given cell is apparently random, so that the X chromosome is inactivate in the approximate half of the cell and the X chromosome in the other half. The selection persists through the sequent division of these cells. The inactivation of X chromosome from sex chromatin, also called bar body. This bar body can be seen in the nuclei of the somatic cell in the females only. मीन्स बार बॉडी केवल फीमेल्स में मिलेगा. एज ए विजिबल क्रोमैटिन मास approximately 1 in diameter, which lies against the inner surface of the nuclear membrane. It is also visible as a small drumstick of the chromatin projecting from the nuclei of the 1 to 15% of the polymorphic leukocyte. The other form of sex chromatin is F body, that is a portion of Y chromosome that can be stained with the modern fluorescence technique. Usually the XY chromosome pair in male forms not dictable mass. Thus the sex genotype can be identified by a cytological test. The most suitable cell begins The epithelial cell of the epidermal spine, spinous layer, buccal mucosa, vagina, and blood leukocyte. Means bar body are present in the somatic cell of the females only. The sex genotype can be identified by cytological test. This is most suitable test for the test are epithelial cell of the epidermal spinous layer, buccal mucosa cell, mucosa of the vagina, appearance of the sex chromatin or bar body in the genetic females and male. The nuclear appendages drumstick of the chromatin present in the genetic females. Sex differentiation. After sex determination during fertilization, the normal sex differentiation in the embryo proceeds sequentially. The stages of the sex differentiation are gonadal differentiation, genital differentiation, and psychological differentiation. Sex differentiation takes place in the stage. The important characteristics feature include masculine characteristics of the body get influenced by the fetal testicular hormone against a basic feminine trends of the body. The development of the female's organ results from the absence of testes. The male differentiate very early while the females quite late because in the male the formation of testicular testes occur much earlier than ovarian tissue. Means gonadogenesis. Primordial germ cell migrate into urogenital ridge, that is condensation of the tissue near the adrenal gland, where proliferation of both non-germinal and germinal cell occurs. This leads to the formation of primitive gonads, which are the identical in both sexes up to 6 weeks of gestation. The gonads develop a cortex and medulla called bipotential primordial human gonad. In genetic male, the testicular differentiation begins as early as 7th week of the formation of primitive seminiferous tubule in the medulla and regression of cortex. At about 8 to 9 weeks, leading cell appears and proliferate rapidly in the intestinal space between the seminiferous tubule until about 14th week. The development of testes is controlled by the Y chromosome. Therefore, with XY constitution, the Y chromosome causes early testicular development which prevent the subsequent ovarian formation. In the genetic females, the gonads continue to show the proliferation of the coelomic epithelium and the primordial germ cell, which is enlarged gradually and become oogonia in the cortex, where the medulla regress. At about 11 to 12 weeks of oogonia, undergo meiosis to form oocyte, which makes the point of ovarian differentiation from the undifferentiated gonads. The development of an ovary requires the presence of XX chromosome. Therefore, with the XO chromosome constitute X0 chromosome constitute, there may be no ovarian tissue. Genital duct and external genitalia. At 8th week of gestation, the embryo has both male and female femoroidal genital duct, that is Wolffian duct in male and Mullerian duct in females as a pair structure, and the external genital have not yet become differentiate. If the primitive gonads become an ovary, or if there are no gonads at all, the Mullerian duct from the fallopian tube, uterus, and upper part of the vagina, and the Wolffian duct disappear, and the external genita assume their females form during the 3rd and 4th month. This chart is development of male and female internal reproductive system from the primordial genital duct. If the primitive gonads become a testis, the Wolffian duct from the epididymis, vas deferens, and seminal vesicles. The Mullerian duct degenerate and the external genital acquired their male characteristics by 5th month. However, the testes descend into scrotum as late as 8th month. The development of female's genital and female's phenotype occurs in the presence or absence of the functional ovary. whereas the development of male genital and male phenotype only occurs in the presence of functional testes. Thus, the removal of the fetal testis is called castration at an early critical period, prevent the formation of male genitalia and result in the entire female's development of the genitalia. However, castration of male fetus at late stage does not affect male sex differentiation. Role of testes in sex differentiation. The testes influence the genital development in three ways. It suppresses the growth of the Mullerian duct by a local action. That is, it causes the involvement of Mullerian duct too, which is anatomically closely related. This is due to release of fetal testes of the locally active factor, hormone called Mullerian regression factor (MRF), also called Mullerian inhibiting substance (MIS). This active agent either testosterone nor androgen. This is active agent is neither testosterone nor androgen. Because of the systemic or local administration of these agents does not suppress Mullerian duct growth. This active agent is a polypeptide or nucleic acid and derived from the fetal seminiferous tubule or the Sertoli cell. Mullerian regression factor (MRF) is also produced in a small amount by the granulosa cell of the ovarian follicle, but Mullerian regression factor requires high androgen to estrogen ratio to exert its effect on the Mullerian duct. Mullerian regression factor is involved in the germ cell of maturation in both sexes and control of testicular descent in the boy. It causes the continued growth of Wolffian duct from the derived structure. The leading cell of the fetal testis secrete testosterone, which become bound to high affinity androgen binding protein secreted by Sertoli cell into the lumen of the seminiferous tubule. Synthesis of the protein is stimulated by FSH and bound testosterone follows along the Wolffian duct and released from it. The binding protein to produce high local concentration promote growth of epidermis, vas deferens, and seminiferous cycles. It is essential for differentiation and growth of male external genital because male development of the external genitalia occurs only when there is the adequate testosterone and androgenic stimulation of the target organ during the first 12 weeks of the fetal life. Abnormalities of human sex development. The hormone and environment influence can lead to abnormalities of sex development. These can arise from the change in the sex chromosome or abnormality in the sex differentiation. An established defect in gametogenesis is non-disjunction, a phenomenon in which a pair of chromosomes fail to separate so that the both go to one of the daughter cells during meiosis. Meiosis is two-stage process. Throughout non-disjunction occurs during first meiotic division, but it can also in the second resulting in chromosomal abnormalities. Abnormalities associated with male phenotype. Number 1, sex chromosome karyotype 47 XXY, Klinefelter syndrome. The characteristic features. It is most common sex chromosomal disorder. The individual is genetically female with genitalia of normal male. The presence of Y chromosome causes testicular development early in the fetal life, with sufficient testosterone secretion at the puberty for the development of male characteristics. This figure is Klinefelter syndrome. Seminiferous tubule dysgenesis. Character of the Klinefelter. Adult patients are usually tall with bilateral gynecomastia. What is gynecomastia? Gynecomastia is male breast formation. The presence of female stigma. Physical and mental characteristics those of females. In apparent male with very small testes because of seminiferous tubule are abnormal. Primary hypogonadism, infertility in male, which is may associated with mental retardation because of presence of more than two X chromosomes lead to severe mental deficiency. Sexual immaturity. Secondary sexual character development of puberty, pubic and body hair are space is are absent. The penis tends to small, testes are very small. The patient are invariably sterile and important. Associated features: the plasma testosterone level are reduced or may be normal. The serum LH level are raised, but the serum FSH is normal. Leading cell in testes appear histological normal. Character features of Klinefelter syndrome: poor development of testes, patient has normal male internal and external genitalia, patients are usually tall due to growth of lower body segment and obese, gynecomastia, development of breast in female. The patient has sign of sexual immaturity, that is, secondary sex character are poorly developed. Penis tends to small, testes are very small. Abnormalities associated with female phenotype: in absence of Y chromosome, testicular development does not occur, and sex organ development develop on female's line. This figure is Turner syndrome, karyotype X0. In Turner syndrome, ovarian dysgenesis. Characteristic features: it is associated with absence of gonad and sex chromatin test is negative. The karyotype pattern is X0, that is, only one sex chromosome is present with 44 autosome. Delay puberty, diminished sexual development of female type, dwarfism and waving of the neck. The commonest presenting complaint is primary amenorrhea. What is amenorrhea? Non-appearance of mens. Therefore, the condition is not recognized before puberty. The characteristics, the character features of Turner syndrome are: patient chromosome pattern is 44x0, the Y chromosome is absent, hence the patient is phenotypically female. Its incidence in 1 in 2000 female. There is ovarian dysgenesis. Normal females' internal and external genitalia are present. Puberty is delayed. Through the female's type of sexual development, it is characterized by scanty menstruation, amenorrhea, primary infertility, emastia. What is emastia? Absent of breast. Mental retardation. Dwarfism is very common. The characteristic features are webbed neck. What is webbed neck? Folds of skin on the side of neck present. Low hairline. Ptosis. Ptosis means drooping of the eyelid. Epicanthus means low set ear. Microganthia means small jaw. And coarctation of aorta. Testicular feminization syndrome or complete androgenic resistance syndrome. The sex chromosome karyotype XY. Characteristics features: the affected individual are genetically male and sex chromatin test is negative with XY karyotype. The gonads are testes with immature seminiferous tubule and may be located in abdomen or in labia. There is no spermatogenesis, but leading cells are abundant and secrete testosterone and estrogen. The abnormalities lie in complete unresponsiveness of male target organ to testosterone called androgen resistance. As a result, breast, nervous system, hypothalamus and external genita retain their responsiveness to estrogen and individual development into normal female, physically as well as psychological. However, after the normal age of puberty, breast development is normal, pubic and axillary hair is scanty. There is the primary amenorrhea and external genital are of female type. The secretion of testicular non-steroidal hormone in early fetal life cause failure of development of Mullerian duct derivatives. Therefore, there is no uterus, which result in primary amenorrhea, and vagina ends as a blind pouch. Super females. The individual with XXX XXX genotype pattern of chromosome is referred to as a super female. However, there is nothing super about them because there is poor sexual development, scanty menstruation, and mental retardation. This pattern is commonly found in the general population and second in frequency only to the XXY pattern of the Klinefelter syndrome. Combined abnormalities. True hermaphroditism. It is very rare condition in which the gonads of both sexes are present, an ovary on one side and testes on other side. Thus, the resulting in numerous variation in phenotype, internal and external genitalia differentiation. The external genitalia are variable and predominantly male and female forms are seen. The external urethra opening is present on the of the penis predominantly male and in the vagina is predominantly female. The gonads may be located in variable site, that is labrosacral fold, in the inguinal canal or the abdomen. The breast development occurs in 60 to 70% of the patient and chromosomal examinations show mixture of 46XX or 46XY constituent. The sex chromatin test may or may be not be positive. Sex chromatin test may be positive or negative. The external genitalia are variable and predominantly male and female forms are seen. Hypospadias, that is external urethra opening is on the undesirable of the penis or vagina, is invariably present. Gonads may be located in the labiosacral fold and inguinal canal and abdomen. Breast development is present in about 60 to 70% of the patient. Pseudohermaphrodism. Male and female pseudohermaphrodism are present in normal gonadal development has occurred according with the chromosomal sex but with the later development of heterosexual different sex genitalia characteristics. The common type are female pseudohermaphrodism and male pseudohermaphrodites. The female pseudohermaphrodite, that is individual with female's internal genitalia, ovary and masculine external genitalia, penis, testes. The chromosomal sex is female and the syndrome is due to congenital virilization, adrenal hyperplasia. Male pseudohermaphrodite, the male chromosome sex individual genetically male with defective testes and female's internal or external genitalia. Causes Embryonic testes are defective to produce deficiency of Mullerian MRF, Mullerian regression factor, androgen resistance, in which the male hormone cannot exert their full effect on the tissue, either due to mutation in the androgen receptor gene or loss of receptor function. These result in the androgen resistance syndrome. The deficiency of adrenal androgen secondary to congenital deficiency of 17 alpha hydroxylase. Congenital deficiency of 5 alpha reductase that convert testosterone to DHT, dihydrotestosterone, in the target organ. Thank you.